Let's talk about a kitchen superhero, garlic. This small but mighty ingredient doesn't just add flavor to your food, it supercharges your health in amazing ways. First, garlic is known for its immune-boosting powers. It's packed with antioxidants that help your body fight off infections and illnesses. Eating garlic regularly can help keep colds and flus at bay, keeping your immune system in top shape. Second, it's a natural heart protector. Garlic helps lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels, both key to maintaining a healthy heart and reducing the risk of heart disease. Plus, it helps keep your blood vessels flexible and clear. And third, garlic has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It can help reduce inflammation in your body and even fight off harmful bacteria. Garlic is like a natural antibiotic. Don't underestimate this tiny bulb. Adding garlic to your meals can truly supercharge your health. Stay healthy and please subscribe to the channel for more relevant and useful health info.